This year Honor unveiled the Honor Magic 9 series of flagship phones. While it is too early to confirm all the models that will be part of the lineup, such as the Honor Magic 9, Magic 9 Pro, and Magic 9 RSR, similar to the Magic 8 lineup, Tipster Digital Chat Station has revealed the screen sizes of these models. Two new flat displays are reportedly being tested, a compact 6.36-inch panel and a much larger 6.85-inch panel. Both screens are said to feature 2.5D flat glass with large, rounded corners. The standard Magic May 9th adopt a smaller flat display, while the Magic 9 Pro could feature a significantly larger flat screen, as the Magic 9 RSR also feature a 6.85-inch display. The Honor Magic 9 series could be early adopters of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 series chipset, just as the previous generation was announced in October. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.